Okay, welcome to Miranda Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this digital summer fun scrapbooking layout. I only had one picture for this particular layout, so I filled it with a whole bunch of elements, and I'm going to show you how I did that. And everything, all these elements here, you can find on my blog, and I'll give you the link down below. Okay. So the first thing I did is I have my screen in two. On the right I have Adobe Photoshop 8, and on my left I have my documents folder, and the only thing I did is I just minimized them like so. Okay, so let's get started. Of course, gonna need the background first, so I'm just gonna click on it and drag it here. I already have my ruler on, and Control R to turn them off, and I have my guides on Control H to turn them off. Or you can always go to see, the rulers are right there and the guides are somewhere around here. Anyway, here's show guides, control semicolon. Now I'm gonna pull my, let me just increase my here. Now you can click on the zoom tool, or what I do is I just scroll down with my mouse to do this, to increase the view of my not the size but just the view. And now I'm gonna get my center paper and drag it here. Now this is when your guide comes handy. So I clicked on my background window, and I hit Control H, and this is my guide. I've created them already. I have them on 1 inch apart. See, you just drag and then you put them where you want them to. In this case, I wanted a guide to have my center page on. Or, if you wanted to align them also, is you just click on your background and click on the background here, and then click align horizontal center and align vertical centers, and that will center your center page. If you didn't see what I mean, I'm gonna do it again. So I'm just gonna realign that, misalign it, and then click the background here with the link, and then click on the background. See, now these options pops up, align horizontal and align vertical, and that centers your image to the background. Okay, so now the next thing is I'm gonna get my daughter's picture. I'm gonna grab it and bring it here. This picture was scanned many years ago, and I'm happy that I did save it because I don't even have the original anymore. It's rotated and the ruler is on, so I'm just gonna click Control R to remove the ruler, and I'm gonna click image, rotate canvas, CCW, and that rotates it the right way. I'm gonna click on it and drag it to my work here. You see, it's very small, so click on the picture and just remove that. Yes, I'm gonna save it like that. And we don't need this anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of that also. Okay, so now I'm on my daughter's picture, and I'm gonna name her and I'm going to name her layer by double clicking on the layer to name, and I'm gonna say daughter. Okay. Control key to resize it. Hold down Shift. Okay, I'm going to click on layer 1 because I want to be right under my daughter's layer. And now I want the white border around her. So I'm going to click here on the rectangular tool, and my foreground is white. And now I'm just going to draw a square rectangle, and that gives me the white border, but it's right underneath her picture. See? I think we can increase that a little bit more by Control T and just dragging my corners here. There you go. Hope that's not too much. Maybe that's a little bit too much. Now I want to give it a dimension by going to layer style, drop shadow, and click the size here to my liking. It's about 35. Hit OK. Now I'm going to link my daughter's picture in the white border behind her. So I'm going to click that. And now I'm going to click on my move tool and Control T to rotate it. Oops. Oh, sorry. I need to be on my daughter's layer to do that. There you go. I think we can even increase it a bit more. Control T, and I'm just moving. I'm holding down the shift button and I'm pulling the corners. Okay. Now the next thing is I want the summer fun text. I'm gonna click on it, drag it to my area, click on restore down button up top. Move it up here and I'll click that away. And the beach ball. Let's do the beach ball here. Now the beach ball is, we need to get rid of this white around it. So I'm going to click on the wand tool. My tolerance is 9. It's usually on 32, but put it on 9. Because if you have it on 32, this is what would happen. See, it clips, it chooses some of the white up top. So let's put it on 9 so it's not that strong, and we'll click it again. So, and then press delete to get rid of that white, and deselect by Control D. Click on your move button again, and we'll move the bleach ball here. You can even make it smaller, Control T. So it's not so huge. Now we get the slippers, move it up here. Let's get rid of these elements here again. I don't like too many things on my work area. Okay. And the lightsaber, we click on it and we drag it again to our work area, and maybe that's not the right lightsaber. So let's do this lightsaber. This lightsaber is already again, all these elements you can find on my blog, and I'm going to send you the link. I set up the link at the bottom of my description of my video so you can download all of these. Control T to resize. Now it's on top of my slippers, and I don't want it to be on top of my slipper, so I just drag it right below the layer of, see, this is my slipper layer here. And this is the lightsaber. I'm just renaming them, and to rename, just double click on the name. Lightsaber. And here's the beach ball. So it's easy to find which layer, you know, like, so that's the beach ball, and that's the lightsaber, and that's the slippers. And I just move the lightsaber right below the slippers layer. Let's move our slippers below a little bit. Now the sticky note, let's drag it again to our work, and there it is. It's small, so let's make it, oops, sorry, let's make it bigger. Control T to make it bigger, and drag the corners, and I'm holding down shift as I drag. So then Control T again, and we're just gonna come to the corner until we get that rotate symbol. And bring it down. Okay, now what else is missing is the swim text. There it is. Let's go down again. And oh, the borders, we forgot the borders. So here's my polka dot border, and just drag it here. Okay, so this is the border. So border dots. I'm gonna move it all the way at the bottom. Let's see, and then we just put it right there. I think that's a good spot. And then there's another border here. We have another blue border just to give it more. Oh, and just move that here. And then I also have a lace here. There's my lace. Move it here. So again, you can rename your layer so you know exactly what it is. This is ribbon blue. Okay, and the tag. And the tag here. I'm gonna move my work here, and I'm just gonna get rid of some of these because what that does is it helps speed up your computer. Now my tag layer is way at the bottom, so as you can see it's right there and it's so tiny, and we need to move it up top at the very top. See, now it's at the top of all the other elements. Control T to resize, and there it is. And to give it Control H, I just got rid of my guides here. Control H. Now to give my tag a little bit of dimensions, we're gonna go to layer, and we're gonna go layer style, drop shadow, and just, you know, the size here, you can make it as big or as little as you want. I think 65 or 32. 32 is good. There it is. Now you just type in Control T for text, and I'm just gonna use Control X to have my text black. Just click here and type my daughter's name. Move button and Control T to resize the name. There you go. And I want the opacity of the text to be like grayish. Okay, I think we got all the other the elements, and oh, of course, then you wanna, if you wanna type something here at the on the sticky note, you can just hit Control T. I mean, just press T there, and here put beach ball. Oops. Let's see. I'm gonna click on my move tool, click back on my text, and I'm just gonna increase the size so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's try it again. Beach ball, slippers, lifesavers, snacks, and drinks. That's the list for my summer fun. Let's see. Oh, and as you can see, I clicked on my text again, and I'm gonna here, these are the fonts, and I'm just gonna click on the up button to give me different fonts. See, now once you have the fonts that you want, okay, I'm just using my zoom tool. This is my zoom tool. Now once you have the size that you want, click back on your move button, right? And now Control T, and we're just gonna rotate it to fit inside the sticky note. See, again, I'm on the corner, and you have to wait until this, you know, the little curly curly arrows to rotate it. And then just hit enter and you have this one, the one that you want. And I'm just going to do the opacity about 79. You don't have to, but it just makes it more a little realistic. Control 0 to zoom into full page. And that's it. Now, you can save this. You want to go ahead and save it as summer fun layout. And to print it, just flatten it. So I'm just going to go to layer, flatten. So now it's just in one piece. And this size is 12 by 12. So now I'm going to save this as a JPEG. Control save as, Shift Control S, summer fun layout, and now I'm just going to come down here and look for the JPEG mark. There it is. We already have a name for that. So let's see. And that's it. Have any questions, comments, suggestions? Link below. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.